Let's go over what Ingress Timeout means on Instagram. Now, you might have gotten this Ingress Timeout error message and you're wondering what it means and how to fix it. I'm going to walk you through all of the steps to get Instagram working normally like it should. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's open up Safari or Google Chrome first, because a lot of times that Ingress Timeout error message is associated with the Instagram servers being down or having some kind of error. So the first thing we'll do is search for is Instagram down and hit search. And we'll go to the down detector here. So this is a great option in terms of seeing if Instagram is having an issue. If there's a huge spike here, then that's most likely the reason why you're getting that Ingress error. And you can just basically wait until Instagram fixes their servers. There's not much you can do to get this back up and running. So that's the first step to see if Instagram is down. The second step is to check your internet connection. So let's go here and we'll type in speed test. And we'll go and hit run speed test here. Check to see if you have enough internet connection. If it's anything over a couple megabytes per second, you should be good enough to load Instagram, stories, posts, all of that stuff, and you shouldn't be getting that Ingress error. Now, if you're still getting it and both of those weren't the issue, the last thing that we can do is offload the app and reinstall it. That a lot of times fixes all kinds of bugs. So to do that, let's hop into settings. We'll scroll down and tap on general, and then we'll tap on iPhone storage. Now, once this loads, we can choose Instagram on this list here, and we will choose offload app, tap offload, and then once that's done, we will reinstall the app. What this does is it clears out any kind of bugs and installs a fresh new copy of Instagram on your device, usually fixes any kind of errors or anything like that. And once that is done installing, we can open it up and you shouldn't be getting that Ingress error anymore. You should be good to go. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.